How to add TikTok Shop product link to TikTok videos. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to incorporate product links into your videos. So for example, you are recording a review for a specific product and you wish to add a product link. You can simply just click on next once you've done all the edits for that specific video that you have. You can add a description, you can have hashtags in here. When you scroll down, you can click on the add link button. This right here, when you click on it, it has the option where you can click on products and then you will be routed into your product management. Here you'll be able to see the products that you sell personally and products that you added into your affiliate marketing. So you can use the link from the TikTok shop and then you can just add a product name. Simply click on next, and then after that you can simply just post and you will now have the video posted into your TikTok account with the product link added already. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!